Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the JEARY Patio Umbrella Stand. This stand can accommodate umbrellas from 7.5 feet up to 11 feet and 3 different pole sizes. It comes with inserts that'll change the aperture size. Let's get into the box and see what you get. The box was delivered today and I was pretty impressed because the actual package weight is fairly light, and so that is really nice if someone's kind of debating this as an option, because it's one that you fill and make it heavy on your end, not the shipping side. So it comes and it's pretty light and easy to move around. So truth be told, I was looking for a more robust option for my patio umbrella because my umbrella blew over into my pool. And so this one is a much beefier option in that you can add weight to the base via water to make it really heavy. So let's go through how to set it up and I'll show you what the final product looks like. They do give you an instruction guide that shows the setup. It's very simple. It has a screw, a washer, and those fit from the bottom, and you can see where the screw fits in on the actual stand. So we can place that in there. You can also take out the inserts and we can look at those. So you'll see here 3 different sizes. So if you got one of the skinny umbrellas, medium size, or even these larger size ones, you'll have the right aperture to fit inside so it doesn't move back and forth. You'll see on this side, it still has 2 clamps. I do prefer systems that have 2 clamps over 1. So as you screw this down, it moves the screw in toward the pole. And if you only have 1, those ones have more wobble than if you have the double and you can screw in those 2 screws up against the pole. So you've got an anchor here at the top holding it this way, and then you've got the side anchors as well. So it's surely not going to move on you. So I'm going to put these back in here for safekeeping. We're going to turn this on its side so you can see what the bottom looks like. There's the bottom. And we're going to place this washer. The washer fits right into this part here, and the screw right in the middle. So I've started the thread there, and I can feel it getting more snug on this end. And then certainly they give you a nice Allen wrench to go ahead and get that tightened down. Another thing to mention, since I told you about the instruction manual, is inside you'll see that they have information there about their 1-year limited warranty. So that's a manufacturer warranty against any kind of manufacturing defects. So it's nice to include that warranty information there for you as well. All right, now that we've got that bolted in, let's take it outside, get it filled up, and put our umbrella in it. As I mentioned before, this has the double lock design, so 2 adjustable knobs for securing the umbrella to the base, and that'll ensure the optimal strength and stability no matter what the pole size is. It features this steel pipe that accommodates all market umbrellas. So it'll hold anywhere from the 1.5 inch up to the 1.9 inch pole diameter umbrellas with these insert pieces to adjust. It's rust-proof, anti-corrosion, and made of durable HDPE material, so it's weather resistant. The steel pipe is galvanized, so it won't corrode easily. It's good, solid, and it won't let the umbrella tilt. The storage is easy because you can simply remove the steel tube from that screw on the bottom and dump out the water, and now you've got a really lightweight item that, once the pole is removed, is very slim and will allow you to store it easily. The product is 20 inch by 5 inch by 22 inch in its dimensions. The weight without water is 7 pounds, and the weight with water should be around 81.5 pounds. So really, really heavy, much more robust than even an old steel one like I've been using. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.